certainly must have heard about the benefits of garlic, right? Right here on our channel, we talked about it many times already. There is a video talking about its benefits, a video teaching you how to use garlic to treat rhinitis, one that teaches you how to fall asleep faster and better, and many others. Many people talk about the benefits of garlic juice to our health. But have you ever heard about it? Many people say that garlic is an efficient antibiotic, that it improves the immune system and avoids colds, while others believe that the antioxidants found in garlic can help prevent cellular damage and eliminate toxins. Incredible, isn't it? Besides that, garlic can also be used to reduce cholesterol, stimulate a healthy appetite, and reduce the seriousness of asthma. Do you want to learn how to make garlic juice? Write down the ingredients: 2 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1 small piece of ginger, some parsley stems. Put all ingredients in a blender with 2 cups of water and blend. Drink the juice every day while fasting. Very easy to make, right? Did you know that the best way of getting all the benefits from garlic is eating it raw? This juice can help you with many natural treatments. Garlic has vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin E, besides minerals such as calcium, copper, sulfur, magnesium, iron, potassium, selenium, and phosphorus. Garlic has many benefits to offer to our health, like helping the digestive and circulatory systems, stimulating the immune system, reducing blood pressure, and fighting heart diseases, besides helping eliminate toxins. Garlic juice is a great way of keeping its properties, which according to some studies are lost after the garlic is cooked. Did you know about that? However, as with any natural medicine, garlic also has some contraindications. People who suffer from blood clotting issues, thrombosis or suspected thrombus, heavy periods, stomach aches, low blood pressure, or anyone who will undergo surgeries must avoid consuming raw garlic. Besides that, garlic should also be avoided by newborns. Now that you know the benefits of this powerful homemade and natural recipe, try it at home.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.